Hello, today I'll be showing you how to make this 3-bean vegan chili in the crock pot. Okay, here are the veggies I used. I used about half of that red bell pepper, 2 carrots, 2 celery sticks, 2 tomatoes, about 6 cloves of garlic, 1 jalapeno, 1 onion, and 1 corn on the cob. Okay guys, I also used 1 can of tomato paste, 2 cans of red beans, 2 cans of pinto beans, and 1 can of black beans. Now, I only used 1 can of black beans because that can was bigger than the others, so I only needed 1. I used about 1 tablespoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasonings, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic, about 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 2 teaspoons of salt, and a teaspoon of chili flakes. The first thing I like to do is coat the bottom of the crock pot with some olive oil, maybe like a teaspoon or so. You don't need much, just to make sure nothing sticks to the bottom of the pan. Okay guys, remember those veggies I showed you earlier? Well, I just kind of chopped them up in like small pieces to throw in to the crock pot first. You want to put that in first so they get cooked and get soft. So here I'm adding all of my canned beans, juice included. It smells so good, just the veggies chopped up. It smells so good. I wish there was like some kind of smell-o-vision. Just going back looking at this, I remember that song that we used to sing in elementary school. Beans, beans, good for the heart. The more you eat, the more you... I'm gonna let you guys finish that. After I added all the beans, I just went on ahead and poured the tomato paste in there. I'm so sorry guys, I forgot to record the step of me adding in all the seasonings, but the seasonings I showed you earlier, I just poured them on over in there, and then I added about 1 cup of water. Here I'm just stirring all the ingredients together. Just make sure you get them nice and mixed on in there. Now that everything is all nice and mixed in there, I just put the lid on and I set my crock pot on high for 6 hours. And oh my God, the house just smells so good all day. That was torture waiting 6 hours for the chili to be finished, but it was well worth it. Here's the finished product. I like to serve with green onions on top. It is so good. I also like to serve with cornbread, but I didn't make any this time, so maybe next time. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come.